Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to write equations of circles. As you know, circle is loci of points which are equidistant from a fixed point center, and the distance of these points from the center is called radius. Now let me first construct a circle. Now here is x-axis, y-axis is the center of coordinates A and B, center AB, and this is called radius of the circle. Now we are going to first learn how to write equation of circles with center A and B and radius R. Now I construct another circle here. Let me make it larger. Now, okay. The center is of coordinates A and B, and it's a general point on the circumference of the circle. Let it be X and Y. Now I construct x-axis and y-axis here. X, here Y. Now let me change the color here. Now it is A, it is X, it is B. I extend this line, and this one will be Y. Now we know that the distance of all these points, all x and y's on the circumference of the circle from this point will be equal because it's a circle. All these points are equidistant from each other, from the center A and B, and this distance is to be R. Now here we know that y-axis and x-axis together make a 90-degree angle here at this point. Now we have a right angle triangle. It is y minus b, and this side is x minus a. Now I implement Pythagoras theorem. So x minus a squared, which is this side, plus y minus b squared, which is this side, is equal to r squared, and it satisfies for all points on the circumference of the circle. So this is equation of a circle with center A and B and radius R. Now, let's see some examples. Example 1, write down coordinates of the center and radius of the following circles. Now we write some equations. X squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Part B, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 100. C, x plus 1 squared plus y minus 8 squared is equal to 12. Now, we just learned that equation of the circle of center A and B is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. Now, where r is the center, radius, and a and b are coordinates of the center. Now, here, I rewrite it. It will be actually x minus a of the form x minus a square 0 squared, sorry, plus y minus 0 b0 is equal to 2 squared. So you can say that 0 and 0 is the center and 2 will be the radius for part A. Now part B. So 2 and 4 are vividly coordinates of the center of the circle. So center will be 2 and 4, actually roots of these expressions. And 100 is 10 squared, so r is equal to 10. Now for part C, actually root of this expression is minus 1, or in other words you can say x minus minus 1 squared plus y minus 8 squared is equal to radical 12 squared. So root of this expression is negative 1. Now you see this is coordinate of the x coordinate of the center. So minus 1 and 8 are coordinates of the center, and radical 12, which is 2, radical 3 is radius of this circle. Now example 2, write equation of a circle with center negative 4 and 3 and radius 6. Now, so x, again I write the formula, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared, where a and b are coordinates of the center and r is the radius. You have all these elements, so it will be x minus negative 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 6 squared. So it will be x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 36. Now example 3. A is the point 3 and 0, and B is the point of coordinates 7 and negative 4. Find the equation of the circle that has line segment AB as its diameter. Now, first let me construct a simple circle. For example, it is A, it is B, 3, 0, 7, negative 4. Now, in order to write equation of the circle, we need to have first center. So if it is diameter, center is midpoint of AB. So I first find midpoint of AB, which is actually the center of the circle. So it will be 3 plus 7 divided by 2 as x coordinate, and 0 and negative 4 divided by 2 as y coordinates. So it will be 5 and negative 2. So center of the circle will be 7 and negative 5 and negative 2. Now, radius is the other element needed here. Now, we know that if it is diameter, radius is half of diameter. First, we need to find distance of AB. I find the distance of AB, which is 7 minus 3 squared, applying distance formula minus 4 minus 0 squared is equal to 16 plus 16 which is equal to radical 32 now, which is actually radical 16 times 2 or 4 radical 2. You had another alternative. You have center. You could have found the distance of M to B or M to A as a radius directly. Now radius will be half of AB, which is 2 radical 2. Now x minus 5 squared plus y minus negative 2 squared, which is plus 2 squared, is equal to 2 radical 2 squared, which is actually 8. Now it is equation of such a circle. Now example 4, find coordinates of the center and radius of circle x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 8y minus 40 is equal to 0. Now, as you see, it is expanded form of equation of a circle. Now, in order to find equation of coordinates of the center and radius, I should change the form of this equation to write in the completed d square form. Now, I rearrange it. It will be x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 8y is equal to, I send the constant to the other side, so it will be x squared plus 10x, I leave some space, y squared minus 8y, some space to add and subtract terms needed to make it complete d square. So 10 over 2 squared is added and subtracted, minus 8 over 2 is added and subtracted. Now it will be here x plus 5 squared minus 25 plus y minus 4 squared minus 16 is equal to 40. So it will be x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to minus 25 minus 41, transferring to the other side, it will be 81. So I write x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 9 squared. So you clearly see that x coordinate of center will be negative 5, y coordinate will be 4, and radius is 9. So it will be minus 5, 4, and radius 9.